I bet you didn't know today could be your most blessed day yet. Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. We are blessed and empowered to be creative and achieve greatness with our brain and 5 fingers. By the existence of the wind, water and sand, our creator Chukwu Okike Abiama uses to sustain all human and also monitors the activities on the earth without a mistake. Today is Afo, a market day in Igbo land. May your day be fruitful. As you head to the market or your workplace, may you receive all the good things you request. Ise. May customers flock to your business. Ease. May you buy and resell according to market demand. Ise. May the wind, water and sand guide you and perfect your way of living. Ise. May the wind, water and sand that monitors all the activities of every humans fight your battles both spiritual and physical and grant you victory always. Ise. May the wind, water and sand that knows heart of every humans grant you inner peace while approaching your creator Chukwu Okike Abiama through them. Ise. May the wind, water and sand that knows all the good things that's suitable with humans' life always grant you good things as a daily gift. Ise. We are blessed by Obi Nnukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe. Onye ndu ikuku achinike.